You're the one I've been looking for all of my life. You're the lover that can take me higher than high. You're the one I don't need to keep looking anymore. Next to you every day is where I wanna be at. I can't hold it back, I can't hold it back. I wanna be where there's love in the air. That's what you told me, hey. I wanna be where there's love in the air. That's what you told me, hey. That's what she told me, yeah. I wanna be where there's love in the air. That's what she told me, yeah.
Quiet room, I swear it now. I need a quiet room. I need a voice that booms, but I don't have one. I need to rest my case, embrace the lines forming on my face. Put down the shame, pick up the grace. That's not a bad one. I need a door to open, to make a way for all the dreams I hope in. There's not a risk that's too big for me to take. I cry when all the rain falls, but there is strength in standing in the rain at all. Forgive the mess I am on days I wanna break. I was told that I shouldn't trust the goal. Bite down harder next time to test it out. But I would fold if I could only hold a day when everything works out. Tomorrow I'll believe again. I'll fill my lungs and I'll sing like I mean it then. For now, if you would let me, friend, be your only human. I can't escape the wrongs I've done. If I could, I'm not sure it would be much fun. Turns out I needed all those drums to find my rhythm. I need a door to open, to make a way for all the dreams I hope in. There's not a risk that's too big for me to take. I cry when all the rain falls, but there is strength in standing in the rain at all. But I wanna break, and I was told that I shouldn't trust the gold. Bite down harder next time to test it out. But I would fall if I could only hold a day when everything works. The sky is blue, cold and silent. This room is quiet. My mind on you. You fill the space with pure Everything has changed already, hasn't it? So much for slow and steady, but I'll go with it. I haven't even met you yet, but I don't wanna make my plans if you're not gonna be a part of them. I was minding my business when the thought of you snuck in. Now I want you to be a part of this. My heart is full of joy and sadness, and things resembling a life with you. Should I wait till all is perfect, or should I learn it all from you? And everything has changed already, hasn't it? So much for slow and steady, but I'll go with it. I haven't even met you yet, but I don't wanna make my plans if you're not gonna be a part of them. And I was minding